Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the stamp is complete. Plate, handle, and ink pad, inspect them now. Once done, clean the sticker and backing with 70% isopropyl alcohol to ensure adhesion. This prevents smudging. Next, place the sticker under the alignment guide and do one test press on a scrap label to check position. If it's off, adjust the guide by about 1-2 mm. Small tweaks save time. You want consistent placement before committing to full runs. You should hold the handle perfectly vertical and center over the sticker, because uneven angles cause partial prints. Apply even pressure for 1 to 2 firm seconds. Count silently, then lift straight up. Do not rock or slide, which creates blurs. When using multiple ink colors, let each color dry 20 to 30 seconds before the next impression and layer from light to dark to avoid muddying tones. Make sure to reseal or cap the pad between batches to keep consistent ink density. You finish by protecting the stamped surface. Apply a clear laminate or a light spray sealer if the sticker will face wear or moisture. If you see ghosting or faint impressions, re-ink the pad and press once on scrap to recondition the foam, then try again. If misalignment appears, stop and recalibrate the alignment guide, moving in millimeter increments. If smears persist, increase drying time, reduce pressure, or clean both stamp plate and sticker backing. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.